What's up YouTube, it's Lilt with Techaholics, back at it again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the S9 Plus, so let's get it in.
Keep it on the level, keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the ladder while you bring me up a shovel.
Alright, so as you can tell, I already kind of unboxed it, but I had to in order to get my phone connected through my carrier, because this is the unlocked version. But alright, so this is the phone, obviously, and this is the box, or the case before the box, or on the box, whatever you want to say. So anyways, what you get on here is the S9 Plus logo. You get Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus on the side, 64 gigabyte. It's the midnight black, and you get all the information on what comes in the box on the back. It says midnight black, or unlocked by Samsung, I'm sorry, on the side, and then it says what comes in it. Package contains Galaxy S9 Plus, the wall charger, USB connector, stereo headset. Those are by AKG. The quick reference guide, terms and conditions, and then it's an ejector tool. So set that off to the side, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the new case also for my Galaxy. And this is actually one of the newer cases that just came out by OtterBox, and it has some pretty cool features that we'll get into. So anyways, here's the box for the phone. Let me set my phone off to the side, and let's unbox this. So whenever you open it up, you'll get the Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, whichever model that you go with. And this is obviously just a SIM ejector tool and the quick start guide, but you know we don't need that stuff. Go ahead and take this out. That's normally where your phone lays. And then you get your charging pack. Get your USB connector right here. I don't think that it comes with any other connectors. It's just that one. If I'm correct, maybe it does. Let me go ahead and let me take that out. Quick. I'm sorry, I'm using one hand. Or we'll just go ahead and we'll just show this. Up here in the top corner, or in the top portion, you get your AKG earbuds. And you get your different levels of ear cups, or for your different ear sizes. And then you get your charging cord. Oh wow, that's a long charging cord, or it looks pretty long. Sorry, I didn't get that in the camera. Looks pretty long. So let's go ahead and let's see what's in here. What else is in here? Nope, that's it. Yep. Alright, that's what I thought. That's just extra boxing just to make it look pretty. So we'll go ahead and set that stuff off to the side, and we'll get into the phone. So here's the S9 Plus. Obviously you can tell it's a pretty big device. It's 6.2 inches, 64 gigabytes, and here's the new camera setup. Here's the fingerprint scanner and all the other stuff. And then on the back, you see how it says Galaxy S9 Plus, and then your logo information. You can barely even see it because of how black that it is. But you get Samsung right underneath the fingerprint scanner. On the side, you get your power button. On the top, you get nothing besides the SIM and SD card, which that goes up to 400 gigabytes from what I heard, which I don't know who could be able to use that much unless if you're doing a lot of video. But your volume rockers are on the other side with your Bixby button. Then at the bottom, you get your earphone port. Why is that? Looks so bad. Okay, so your earphone port, your charging port, and then your speaker. And yes, on this model it does use the bottom speaker and the top speaker, which we'll get more into that. But here goes your earpiece speaker, your different sensors, including your iris scanner, which is like, it looks next to invisible with how black that is. But here goes your front-facing camera. I believe that's 8 megapixels, and these are 13. It didn't really tell you much information on here on the box, but I'll actually put a link, or I'll put all the specifications of this phone in the description. And if you want to buy one, I'll put the link to Samsung or whichever website that you would like to go to. Just buy it from there. And anyways, like I said, this is a fingerprint magnet. That's the bad part about this phone, which that's the reason why I got a case for it. But anyways, it shows dust and fingerprints. So go ahead and turn the phone on. I'm going to go ahead and unlock it with my finger, since that I have a password on it. So as you can tell, that was pretty quick. Let's go ahead and let's do that again with it turned off. So if you like this background, go ahead and let me know, and I'll tell you how I got it for my phone. This works for the Galaxy S8 and S9. And as you can tell with the bezel-less display, it looks amazing. So yeah, that's pretty cool. It looks 3D. So anyways, a lot has changed with this phone, with me just using it for a day, because I've only had it for a day. And as you can tell, it has the mobile data, so I think that's something that they changed, and because in the Galaxy S8 they didn't have that. And get into the settings. I believe that this is running Android software 8.0. Saying network not available. I wonder why. It's probably because I have the data turned off. But let me go ahead and let me show y'all that it's running Android 8.0. So I'll go right here to, sorry, I was looking in through the phone. So we'll go to about phone. The software information is 8.0. So yeah, so this is pretty much it. Has really nice software animations and different things like that, which we'll get more into that later on. But this is just the unboxing. But I'll go ahead and I'll show you all the speaker test, just because everybody was hyped about the speakers. I'll do a side-by-side comparison with the Galaxy S8 and the S9 Plus, because this is as close as what I could get, you know, between the two devices. So let's go ahead and go into settings. Let's go into sounds and vibrations, and then we'll go ahead and go to ringtone. And y'all ready for this? This is going to get really loud. Go ahead and let me cover up the bottom speaker. As you can tell, it's still working from the top. Go ahead and let me cover the top. So yeah, that's pretty much the Galaxy S9 Plus. If y'all have any questions or any comments, go ahead and let me know about that. But let me go ahead and let me show y'all the new case that I got for it. This is the OtterBox Pursuit. As you can tell, it says Ultimate Protection. It's by OtterBox for the Galaxy S9 Plus. And it has the Ultimate Protection. It says Ultimate, or it says Ultra Thin Design, Direct Screen Access, Ultimate Drop Protection, Dust and Mud, Dirt, Snow Protection, and then it has the integrated lanyard. But what's pretty cool about this is that it has the enhanced audio. And the way that this case works with the enhanced audio is that it actually directs the speaker towards you. So has a pretty cool feature on this case. So what comes in the box with this case is just the case itself, and then you get a lanyard on the side, and then you get the information at the bottom. But obviously we're not going to go through all that, because you know how we do with information around here. And so what's pretty cool about this case, just to start with, is that it has these little rings around the case that protect it. Even has it up here for any water. The snow protection is probably because it covers the ports. Then your lanyard, get your buttons on the side, quick access. So, but the directional speaker port is what I was talking about. That's pretty cool about this case and why I liked it. So you get your protection from OtterBox like always, and then you get your direction. supported speaker. I don't know if I could be able to get a good picture of that or not, the way that it looks in there. Pretty much what it does is just face the speaker towards you. So you get that full actual surround sound of the speakers. You don't have to like cup your hand just to get the speaker to face towards you. So if you have any questions about this case, any questions about the phone, go ahead and shoot me a comment, let me know. And as always, thanks for watching, like and subscribe.